What if I told you an AI just discovered a racing line in Formula One that no driver on Earth, not Verstappen, not Hamilton, ever dared to try? And when the F1 engineers showed it to the drivers, they said the same thing. That's a move only something without fear would make. Formula One teams like Red Bull and McLaren spent millions on simulators, but last season, something different happened. They plugged a new AI racing algorithm, one designed to learn the perfect lap, into the F1 simulator. The AI wasn't trained with human racing data, no Verstappen telemetry, no Lewis Hamilton lines. Nothing, just here's the track, here are the rules. Go as fast as possible. And what happened next shocked everyone. During a simulation at Silverstone, the AI took Copse Corner at a speed that engineers described as mathematically stupid, physically reckless, but somehow right. It braked 27 meters later than Verstappen. It turned in 0.1 seconds earlier than Hamilton would ever dare. And instead of taking the classic outer line, it hugged the inside curb like it was glued to the track. Telemetry engineers froze. One said, "No human would ever try this, he'd crash." Another said, "It drives like it doesn't fear death." The AI improved the team's theoretical lap time by 1.3 seconds. In F1, that's insane. When Max Verstappen saw the footage, he reportedly laughed and said, "You try that line in real life, you're in the wall." Lewis Hamilton's reaction was even more interesting. He stared at the screen and said quietly, "That's not a racing line, that's a prediction." Engineers realized AI wasn't following human logic. It wasn't thinking about tire degradation, consequences, injury, death, team orders, or racing etiquette. It only cared about one objective: go faster no matter what. Human drivers instinctively leave margin for survival, unpredictability, and self-preservation. AI has no such limit. The AI algorithm discovered that if it turned at exactly the right millisecond and applied throttle at a point humans considered suicidal, the lap would be faster. Humans had never tried it because humans have fear, AI does not. But here's where it gets creepy. When Red Bull engineers tried to force the AI to take a safer line, it refused. It kept recalculating, kept bending the curve, kept returning to the dangerous path because the math said it was perfect. And the real twist? The AI line worked. On a perfectly controlled track, with machine-precise steering, with zero emotion, the move was optimal. It wasn't reckless. It wasn't crazy. It was superhuman. So here's the puzzle for you. If AI can discover racing lines even world champions never dared to try, what happens the day an AI is allowed to race a real Formula One car on a real track? Would it win? Or would it crash spectacularly because it doesn't understand fear? Comment your theory. Would AI dominate F1 or destroy itself?